Welcome to Facebook and Instagram advertising platforms. After watching this video, you'll be able to list the benefits of advertising on Meta's platforms compared to other digital advertising channels. Explain how Facebook and Instagram advertising works, and identify the advertising objectives on Facebook and Instagram. Facebook and Instagram, both part of the Meta ecosystem, offer powerful advertising platforms that are available today. Whether businesses want to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, generate leads, or boost sales, these platforms provide sophisticated tools and targeting capabilities to efficiently achieve advertising goals. Let's explore why businesses prioritize Facebook and Instagram for advertising. With over 3 billion users across Facebook and Instagram, businesses can reach diverse audiences across different demographics, locations, and interests. This ensures advertisers can find their ideal customers, whether targeting local buyers or global audiences. Both platforms allow advertisers to target users based on various filters such as age, gender, location, interests, behaviors, and even purchase intent. Thus, ads are shown to people who are more likely to engage, improving campaign effectiveness and reducing wasted ad spend. Facebook and Instagram also offer a variety of ad formats. Businesses can choose from image ads, video ads, carousel ads, stories, reels, and more, depending on their objectives and audience preferences. These formats give brands the flexibility to experiment with different creative strategies to determine what resonates best with their target audiences. These platforms also offer budget flexibility. Advertisers can start with small budgets and scale as they see positive results, making them accessible to businesses of all sizes. Ad spending can range from as low as $10 to as high as $500 per day, allowing advertisers to adjust their campaigns dynamically. Meta Ads Manager provides robust analytics, allowing advertisers to track performance and optimize campaigns for better results in real time. Advertisers can identify which ads generate the most conversions and allocate budgets accordingly. For example, a local clothing brand can target users aged 18 to 35 who have shown interest in fashion and sustainable clothing, ensuring their ads reach the right people at the right time. To run a successful ad campaign on Meta's platforms, it's essential to understand how the ad system works. Here's how it functions. The first step is to set the campaign objectives. Businesses define what they want to achieve: brand awareness, engagement, website visits, lead generation, or conversion. This step ensures that the ad strategy aligns with business goals. Based on the objective set, the algorithm works to help you achieve your goal. The second step is to define the target audience. Advertisers use Meta's detailed audience segmentation tools to reach the right users based on location, demographics, interests, and behaviors. This precision helps in minimizing irrelevant impressions and improving ad efficiency. Next, advertisers decide the ad placement and format. Ads can appear in feeds, stories, reels, marketplace, and even in Messenger. Placement optimization allows businesses to maximize visibility based on where their audience is most active. Further, advertisers can choose between daily or lifetime budgets and bidding strategies like cost per click, CPC, or cost per impression, CPM. Selecting the right budget and bidding strategy ensures cost effectiveness. Once submitted, Meta's systems automatically review the ad to ensure compliance with its advertising policies. Ads that do not meet the guidelines are rejected, requiring adjustments. Once live, advertisers monitor performance and make adjustments to improve engagement and conversions. Continuous testing and refinements help maximize results. Let's now take a closer look at the various advertising objectives you can set on Facebook and Instagram. These are awareness, consideration, and conversion. The awareness objective is used for brand recognition and reach. It targets users likely to remember the brand. This is ideal for businesses launching new products or building name recognition. The platform maximizes the number of people who see the ad within the advertiser's budget, thus increasing visibility. For example, a new fitness brand wants to introduce itself to a broad audience. A brand awareness campaign ensures the ad reaches as many relevant users as possible, increasing brand recall. The consideration objective is used for engagement and attracting traffic. It directs users to a website, app, or landing page. This is useful for businesses looking to drive visitors to a particular offer or content. It aims to encourage likes, comments, shares, and event responses. Higher engagement signals a stronger connection with the audience. The platform promotes video content to users likely to watch. This is effective for storytelling and brand awareness campaigns. Additionally, it captures leads and enquiries through in-app forms. Businesses use this to gather potential customers' details without needing them to leave the platform. For example, a real estate company runs a lead generation campaign where interested users fill out a contact form without leaving Facebook or Instagram, simplifying the conversion process. The conversion objective is aimed at generating sales and leads. It encourages specific actions, such as sign-ups or purchases. This ensures businesses focus on getting high-value interactions. This objective is used for catalog sales, where the ad dynamically promotes e-commerce products from a catalog. It also automates product recommendations, making it ideal for businesses selling multiple e-commerce products. Conversion ads could also be used to drive foot traffic to physical locations. This type of ad is great for restaurants, retail stores, and local businesses looking to attract in-person visits. For example, an e-commerce business runs a conversion campaign targeting users who added products to their cart but didn't complete the purchase. Retargeting helps bring them back to finalize the sale. In this video, you learned that businesses prefer Facebook and Instagram for advertising because they provide massive audience reach, advanced audience targeting, variety of formats, budget flexibility, and data-driven optimization. Steps to run an ad campaign involves the following steps: setting campaign objectives, defining the target audience, deciding the ad placement and format, choosing the ad budget, reviews and approvals by Meta, and monitoring and adjusting after launch. Advertising objectives you can set on Meta are awareness objective for brand recognition, consideration objective for engagement and attracting traffic, and conversion objective for generating sales and leads.